Okay, guys, in this question, we are going to rewrite an expression consisting of more than one log as a single log. So for the first example, we got 4 log with base 4 of x plus 1/2 log with base 4 of x plus 2. So I will use number 3 in reverse. So instead of bringing down the power in front of the log, I'm actually going to move the number in front of the log as a power. And same thing will happen over here. So you're going to move 1/2 as a power. Now just notice that you will need to keep parentheses. So it's going to be log with base 4 of x to the power of 4 plus log with base 4 of x plus 2, but we are raising that to the power 1/2. Okay, so the whole thing, and by the way, 1/2 cannot be distributed inside. All right, and then we're going to use property number 1 again in reverse. So the plus sign, and we have a sum of two logs, can be converted to just a single log over product of the arguments. So we have log with base 4, and then it's going to be x to the 4th multiplied by x plus 2 to the power 1/2. And all of this is going to be the argument. All right, so let's see if we can type that here. So we go to functions, we click on log, base 4. I'm going to open parentheses and just type what I just wrote. All right, so that would be the first one. Now let's take a look at the second one. So this was part A. And now let's go ahead and do part B. So the same thing. So we got 3. This time it's a common log because the base is missing, which means it's base of 10. And then we have -4 log of x plus 1. All right, so again, we are doing property 3 in reverse. We're taking the number and putting it as a power. We're taking the number and moving it as a power. Okay, so we're going to get log of x cubed. And this time it's going to be subtract log of x plus 1 to the power 4. Now we're going to use a property number 2 again in reverse. So we can see that the difference of logs can be simplified to a single log of just the ratio of the two. So we're going to have log, and that's x cubed on the top, and then x plus 1 to the power 4 on the bottom. Okay, so let's see if we can put that in there. So I'm just going to click on the fraction. So this would be x cubed, and then this is x plus 1 to the 4th power.